Hey there, what's up guys? TGMK PH here. So what we have here at Kingston A400, 120 gig and 10 times faster than traditional hard drive. And so finally what we have here is a Kingston M.2 120 gigabyte. And it said on the box 10 times faster than traditional hard drive. So we're installing this puppy up in here in our laptop. This model is Aspire E5576, and this laptop running in Core i7 series 8th generation. And for our first step, remove 3 screws or remove the backplate screw. Okay. And after we remove the 3 screws from our cover or backplate, so we need to open up for our step 2. And after removing the cover, so our next step is the installation of our M.2 SSD. And again, here is our M.2 slot over here, right there. And we have different sizes of M.2. I will flash it on our screen, as you can see. Okay. At syempre naman, para sa ating price point ng ating M.2 SSD, only 1,450 SRP. And for our next step, we will installation of our M.2 SSD. And mga katugmaks, problema ako nakarang araw pa tong video na to. So, ang problem na yun is yung screw for our M.2 SSD, because this screw I used is DIY only. Pero kung may kasama ng M.2 screws, you have no problem. So, note ko lang, wala siyang kasamang screw. So, DIY lang to. Pero okay naman sa performance. Walang problema. Walang problema talaga. No problema. So, yun, kakabit na natin tong M.2 SSD. So, push it gently, no? So, ang pagkakabit ng M.2 SSD, parang sodium na memory lang. So, sir, ano yung, or sir TGMK, ano yung sodium, no? So, si sodium, in short for DDR3 laptop memory, no? So, ito ay nasa gilid ni M.2. Right side upper, no? Yung sodium natin, no? So, yun yung itsura niya pag tinanggal mo. Tsaka napaka-easy din ng pag-i-install niyan. So, ang nakakabit sa atin ay DDR3 4GB na sodium. So, after this video or after installing, let's proceed to step 4. Like nyo na rin ang ating video, no? Kalimbangin nyo na. So, yun, step 4 tayo. Assembling cover, no? So, ibabalik na natin itong cover at mga screws niya. So, bago matapos itong video or after this video, meron tayong comparison. So, sino pa mabilis? Si hard disk ba? Or si M.2 SSD? Again, if you watch this video, please leave like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, TGMK PH, serving you a tutorial, no? So, let's end this video and I will show you comparison of 2 components. So, it's worth it ba? Malalaman natin end of this video. Kayo na lang mag-judge kung sino mas mabilis.